Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to dive into the vast world of government-sponsored maintenance. We'll explore everything from facilities management, road repair, to park upkeep. Stay tuned, as we'll also reveal a game-changer tool that can help streamline these tasks, making them more cost-effective and efficient. You'll learn how a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can revolutionize the way maintenance tasks are handled, saving taxpayer dollars. Let's talk about the different types of maintenance that the government sponsors. It's a wide-ranging field that includes everything from facilities management of government buildings to roadway repair and maintenance, and even the upkeep of parks and public areas. Whether they're serving federal, state, or city officials, maintenance professionals have a crucial role in managing these tasks. Now here's a pro tip for you. An effective CMMS can be a game changer. It helps government entities make smart, cost-effective decisions. Let's start with facilities management. Just like any other commercial facility, all government buildings have certain needs. We're talking about maintaining operations such as HVAC systems, computer and office equipment, and safety and emergency assets. But it's not just about the inside of the building. Janitorial, grounds management, and landscaping tasks also need to be taken care of. This is where a CMMS comes in handy. It gives government officials a transparent view into the most critical maintenance tasks. With a centralized system, they can assign automatic work orders, prioritize preventive maintenance tasks, and help keep maintenance technicians on task. The result? A decrease in expensive emergency maintenance repairs, which means saving taxpayer dollars. Next, let's talk about roadway maintenance. Did you know that according to Pothole Info, the government spends more than $68 billion per year maintaining roads and highways? It's a massive undertaking that involves every level of government. They have to deal with repairs, signage, safety issues, and new construction. As cities change and grow, commuting patterns change, and weather beats up the roadways season after season. A maintenance system for roadways isn't just about work orders for the actual road repairs. It also includes things like fleet management. Government vehicles and equipment must be maintained and repaired to help keep roadways clean and in good working order. Finally, let's not forget about parks and public areas. In the largest 100 U.S. cities alone, the government cares for more than 2 million acres of public parks. Imagine managing all this public green space in addition to parks and recreation buildings and equipment. It's a significant task. Park maintenance can include a variety of tasks such as lawn care, arborist work, restroom maintenance, and playground equipment safety checks. Taking care of parks and public areas involves scheduling, maintaining, and repairing buildings, facilities, equipment, and land. Doing so provides a safe and pleasant area for all to enjoy. In conclusion, government maintenance is a vast field that requires a lot of planning, management, and hard work. But with the right tools and resources, maintenance and reliability teams can be more successful in their roles. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of government maintenance, the role of a CMMS, and how it can help streamline tasks and save taxpayer dollars. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can assist your maintenance needs, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you optimize your maintenance strategies.